Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this fun alphabet learning spin wheel game. It's a very nice game and I used to learn like this when I was a kid. So let's get started and make this a lovely game. So firstly, we're going to take two circular paper panels, which is a gold metallic one and the silver metallic one. So next, we're going to make the gold metallic paper smaller than the silver one. So I'm going to use the quarter plate to do so. So I'm going to trace the quarter plate on the gold metallic paper, and I'm going to cut it out to make it shorter than the silver metallic paper. So next, we are going to divide the circular panel into 26 sections. So I'm going to use the scale of my paper trimmer to draw lines on the golden panel into passing through the center of the golden panel, and we're going to make 26 sections on it. So next, we're going to transfer the lines on the silver panel, aligning with the 26 sections which we had made. So next, we're going to stick these panels onto some thick cardstock to give it some stability. So I'm going to stick this on the thick cardstock and cut it out in the circular shape. So our circular panels are pretty thick now. So next, we are going to take some alphabet die cuts and we are going to stick this on the rim of the circular panel, golden circular panel. So next, we are going to apply some tape runner on the back of the die cut, and I'm going to stick it all along this rim of the circular panel. So we'll stick all the other alphabets in the similar way. So here you can see we have all our letters stuck on the circular panel. So next, we are going to cut V-shaped arrow marks into the edges so that it points towards the letter which we had stuck. So I'll do this to all the letters, and we have all the arrows pointing towards our letters. So next, we'll take a 4-color pen and we're going to write what each letter corresponds to. So I'm going to write like A for apple. So I'm going to write apple on the silver panel. So when you twist the golden wheel, it will show that A is for apple. So I'm going to write all the words for the alphabets on the silver panel. So here I have written all the words for the alphabets. So next I'm going to take a pen pencil and I'm going to poke a hole inside the wheels which we had made through the golden panel, and also I'm going to poke a hole in the center of the silver panel as well. So next we're going to thread a ribbon through the holes which we had made just now, and we're going to tie a knot on the back as well as the front of the wheels which we had made. Don't tie the knot too tight, otherwise our wheels won't spin. So cut the excess ribbon off. So here you can see our wheel is spinning. So next we are going to stick a flower on the top and the bottom of the wheels. Next I'm going to take another piece of cardboard and I'm going to cut another circular panel which is bigger than the silver circular panel. I've covered it with red paper. So next we are going to take some images which match our words for our letters. So here I have this cute goat one and ice cream ones as well. We're going to stick these images all along the rim of the circular panel. So here I have stuck all the images and they're looking really pretty. So next I'm going to stick the silver panel onto the red panel which we had made just now. So I'm going to apply some tape runner in the center of the red panel, and I'm going to stick the silver panel on the in the center of the red panel. So next we're going to add a border to our spin wheel. So I'm going to take a glitter tape. I'm going to take this blue one over here. I'm going to stick it all along the border of the spin wheel. Whenever we come near the curved part of the spin wheel, we can just make small snips into the tape so that it can turn smoothly. So I'll continue to stick this all along the border of the spin wheel. So here you can see our spin wheel game is all ready. So we can spin the letter to its coordinating a word and the picture as well. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the button below the video and also click the bell notification icon so that you never miss a video. Thank you for watching.